Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we have an unboxing like no other. We have an unboxing of an Xbox One Series X. Whew. This bad boy is hard to find right now. I'm going to tell you that right now, guys. If you probably already know that if you've been trying to find one, but this bad boy is absolutely impossible to find. Your boy was able to get one on pre-order early, and that's how we are doing things. So luckily I got lucky. I think you have to get lucky to get one. Pretty much it comes down to dumb luck, and I got the dumb luck. So awesome. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It won't be a long unboxing. I don't think it's much to really unbox. But oh dude, they even sealed the sides. They're really not messing around. So if you get this on eBay or something, you know if it's real. If it's like sealed like a crap, man. If it's crazy sealed, you know it's a good thing. But let's see if it's sealed the other side too. Nope, other side's not sealed. Okay. So only like two sides of it's sealed, actually sealed. So I guess that's another thing to take away. And these are just pull tabs actually. It's not even that like big of seals. So it's not bad. Alright. Ooh. Got that right there. Actually, no, I think everything is... Oh, wait. This resealed itself. Rip. Rip, guys. Thing resealed itself. Alright. Let's say, I think we should be good here. Other seal right here. Bro, the seals were absolutely crazy. Alright. So now we're in the package, guys. Make sure my camera is... Alright. Got a little styrofoam. We got the Xbox. This is actually how heavier than I thought. Okay. A lot heavier than I thought. Not gonna lie. Don't know what I expected. Okay. Got no... Wait, no. Controller's probably in here. I'll say no controller, bro. I got finesse, but nah, this controller's in here. First time ever holding the controller, too. We got HDMI stuff. There we go. HDMI stuff are obviously power cord. Typical Xbox stuff. See, nothing else in here. And that is it on that case. Alright. So, let me not put this on top of my camera. Now that HDMI, keep in mind, is a HDMI 2.0. So if you do have a 120 Hertz TV with HDMI 2.0, you can actually use that, which is awesome. All right. So got the Xbox One X controller here. I'm going to go ahead and fix my camera setup. As you can see a little bit better. There we go. For comparison's sake, this is a scuffed controller. This is an Xbox One Series X, any kind of X. Here's the difference, guys. I'm going to show that camera too. So, pretty much main differences right here. We now have a select button. We, of course, have a typical buttons right here. Now it's all flush up here. It's no longer, you know, like, difference with that. And actually, I thought I turned on my light here. One second, guys. There we go. And there we go. See? Very awesome. Alright. But that's all you care about is the main attraction, guys. The main attraction is right here. Power your dreams. Oh my god. Xbox One X style. Alright. Bro. I don't know what I expected, okay? I don't know what I expected. But I didn't expect it to be this heavy. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's the takeaway here, bro. Is like, I really didn't expect it to be this heavy. I was like expecting it to be really light, actually. Alright. Xbox One Series X. So, of course, we have this bad boy right here now. Personally speaking wise, I'm going to go ahead and show the other camera. But this is how big it looks. Of course, on the back here, we have our USB, Ethernet, power, HDMI out, your storage expansion, all that kind of good contents. Now, like I always said, I do love Xbox, so of course I was going to get an Xbox. I'm also going to get a PS5 sometime very, very soon. But overall, I mean, is it better than the gaming PC? No. Is it more convenient than the gaming PC? Yes. If you guys see my gaming PCs, you know they're freaking huge, right? This is actually small, compact, and you're able to actually work with. Well, then, guys, that's pretty much it for the Xbox One Series X and the Xbox One controller. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like the button down below. See you guys next one. Peace out.